Well, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel. It's me, your boy Gabby Proscra. As you know, Alien Skin has been going through a lot in the music industry, and you know he has been dropping some new single with a new friend, Sandra Naxx. As you already know, they're going crazy in the blog. So today I decided to make for you guys something that sound like that their new song, Nepanka, one hit song. As you already know, it's going crazy out there. So let's get straight into it, not to waste so much time. If you still fail to make a type beat of Alien Skin after watching this video, come and arrest me in my house.
Yo, bro, what if you get arrested?
Yo, I'll run. Nobody will find me, nigga. Let's get straight to it. So I played the first piano, which is coming from FL keys. Most times I like using stock plugins, so you can just come and change it to dark piano. Let me play for you. This is how I played it. It is as simple like that. It's as simple as ugly like that, but trust me, trust the process. In the end, it becomes something perfect. So the second thing, I added some sound from Shakura. It sounded like this. The third thing, I added a sound from Muffin. This sound is still guitar to add just some coolness inside it. After that, I added, this one is also a free plugin you can go and download. It's come with the effect wrapped, so you can go and download it. It's called Dashbox. It sounded like this. It's something like a trumpet, but not a big pad trumpet. So we added a sound from Flex, which is Kalimba. As you already all know, I like using this a lot to make such kind of Alien Skin beats. So that's how I played it, simple. So then I added this dog back, just simple like that. Then we added a purple lullaby from Flex also. It sounded like this. I added a bass. This one is coming from a very heavy plugin that if you don't have enough RAM, it won't be able to open on your PC. I'm playing with you. This is the plugin. It's called B3. It's so heavy, as you can see. It's a keyboard. In this keyboard, I played just some simple. It sounded like this. After that, there's another one I played. After I added the bass, the bass was just groovy, simple. Now we go to the drum kits. The first, the snare. Then another snare from down. Then we have the roll. I just make it clap from the end 3 times, simple. After that, you add the perks. So the perks sound simple to distract it. Then after we add the kick and some crash in the middle. The toms. Added some riser. Here I added some fills in the middle from the reggaeton drum kit. The first one I added the risers and the claps. All goes like this. So now the full beat all sounds like this.
Oh my god. Gabby Proscra on this beat.
So as I said in our previous video, in case you've been watching, if you want to hear the full beat, I'm going to build another beat channel. Then I'll be leaving the links in the video. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, share to people you need that they need to see, and make sure you subscribe. I'll build a beat channel and I'll leave a link on the next video after this one. Thank you for watching.